In this lesson, we will implement the sign up action. So I'm in VS Code here, and I'm going to create a new file, and I'll add an actions.ts. And at the top, I will use server, and I'll import z from Zod, and I'll import bcrypt from bcrypt, and I'll import the SQL helper. I'll import redirect from Next navigation, and sign JWT from Joe's. Import the config, and I'll import cookies from Next headers. And let me just organize this a bit. I'm going to move this up here since it is a third-party library and these are part of our application. Okay. Oh, and this too. All right, so first let's set up a sign up schema, and I'm going to use Zod.object, and we'll have a username. And we'll also have a confirm password. And this form should also have some state. We'll have an errors object. Password. And confirm password. So let's export an async function. Previous state, form data. All right, so we're going to get the username from the form data, and also the password. And I'll get the validated fields. Sign up schema dot save parse username, password, confirm password. Now, if there is a validation failure, then we'll return an object validated fields dot error dot flatten dot field errors, and also a message. Now, assuming that the validation passed, then we'll want to make sure that the password is equal to the confirmed password. So we can do that with a password does not equal to confirm password, and we'll return a message that says password and confirm password must match. All right, so if they match, then we'll want to check that this user doesn't already exist. So we can do that with a SQL query. Wait, SQL we'll just look up the user by the username. Now, if the row count is greater than 0, then that means that the user already exists. Okay, looks like there is an error here. So user result that row count is possibly null. Okay, so we needed a to do this check first because the row count is possibly null. So I'm doing that check first. Okay. Now, if that check passes, then we want to hash password. Here I'm running an insert statement. And we're going to return star. Okay. Save. Now, if the row count is equal to 1, then we'll want to generate a JWT token and log the user in right away. And then we'll set the cookie. redirect the user to the dashboard. Alright, so let's save this, and yeah, in the next lesson we will wire up this action to the signup form.